The shofar calls us to attention and awakens something deep within us. It calls us to return and reveal the best version of ourselves. At Nishmat, we are privileged to facilitate this awakening every single day. It is the sound of young women delving into Torah with love and commitment. The sound of a chavruta ignited by profound Torah engagement. Of a halachic answer from a yoetzet halacha, landing with clarity and care for a woman who desperately needs it. Whether a bride, a new mother, a couple on a fertility journey, or a woman at a sensitive point in her life cycle. And it is the voice of every alumna who carries Nishmat's Torah into her home, her community, her workplace, and the world. This Rosh Hashanah, as the world stands in judgment, we ask, what kind of future are we building? At Nishmat, we are shaping a future of Torah-committed leadership, of women who are both deeply rooted and courageously forward-facing, of voices that echo with wisdom, compassion, and strength. We are investing in the soul of Am Yisrael, because when a woman learns Torah, she does not only change her own life, she transforms generations.
As we enter this new year, we invite you to join us in our holy mission so that we can keep the doors of our Beit Midrash wide open for all of the women who are thirsty to come and learn Torah with us. Together we will shape the future of Torah learning, one woman at a time. Shana Tova and Ktiva v'Chatima Tova from our